Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove yourself from an Instagram post that you've been tagged in on Android. This is a helpful feature if you don't want to be associated with a particular post, or if you want to maintain a certain aesthetic on your page. To get started, find the post that you've been tagged in, and tap on it to open it up. Once you're looking at the post, you'll see your username located below the post. Tap on your username to bring up a menu of options. In the options menu, look for Remove me from post and tap on it. You'll be prompted to confirm that you want to remove yourself from the post. Once you confirm, your tag will be removed from the post. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily remove yourself from an Instagram post that you've been tagged in on Android. This is a great way to keep your profile looking clean and organized, and it's a useful feature if you want to maintain a certain aesthetic on your page. It's important to note that removing yourself from a post will not delete the post itself. It will only remove your tag from it. If you want the post to be removed entirely, you'll need to contact the person who posted it and ask them to remove it. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.